Lourdes Chica, naniniwala ka ba na si Bel Mariano ang taong para sa'yo? Saan ni Donnie, yes, naniniwala ako na si Bel talaga ang para sa akin. Because the person who is for you is the person who wants is to be with you. If they aren't to try, they're not your person. And I think the most relationship can be worked out if the two people are willing. Kami ni Bel, willing kaming ipaglaban ng isa't isa hanggang dulo. And if you want it, to barring extreme cases, but if they're not willing, they're not your person. Ako, si Bel talaga ang para sa akin. Nararamdaman ko yun.